In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We are going to learn what is the difference between combined and composite function. There is a difference. Some students, they confuse, they mix both of them. So today I'm going to make clear, and you will understand what is the difference between combined function and composite function. Okay, first of all, what is a combined function? Combined function. Okay, in combined function, they will give you the function f plus g of x. It means the function f plus the function g. We will add both functions. Okay, so if they can give you f minus g of x, even you can write in bracket. So it means f function minus g function. Okay, then they can write also f dot g of x. What does it mean? Dot in mathematics, dot mean multiply. It means both functions are multiplying. Okay, then f over g, you know it is in a fraction, it means divide. It means the f function divide, here multiply, divide g function. I hope it is clear. Okay, now we will do some examples to understand deeply about the combined function. So first of all, look here, they gave us the function f of x, which is equal 2x plus 1. Then g of x equal x square. I will not solve all, I will solve some of them. For example, they ask you find f minus g x. It means f of x minus g of x. What is f of x? 2x plus 1. What is g of x? X square. So all are unlike terms. So what is the answer? X square plus 2x. I wrote in order. This is f minus g of x. I hope you understand. The same question we will apply for the multiplication. F dot g x. It means f of x multiply g of x. So what is f of x? The function f of x is 2x 2x plus 1 multiply, bracket mean multiply, g function is x square. So x square is multiplying with 2x, which is equal 2x cube, then x square multiply 1, which is equal x square. So both are unlike terms, so this is our answer. So f dot g of x. I hope you understand and it is clear. Okay, for example, if let's solve one more example with different function. F of x equal x plus 2, g of x equal x square. Okay, they ask you to find f over g of x. It means f function divide g function. So what is f function? X plus 2 divide g function, which is x square. So x plus 2 over x square. This is our answer. If you want to simplify more, you can do x over x square plus 2 over x square. So this 1 time x, here 2 time x cancel, so it's remaining up 1 and denominator 1x, because x squared 2 times, 1 time x cancel, 1 remaining, plus 2 over x squared. This is our answer. I hope you understand. Now we will move to the composite function. What is composite function? Composite function. Okay, composite function, it means where the output of one function become the input of other. The output of one function become the input of the other. For example, f o g, it mean, now it is not a dot, it is o, it mean f g of x, mean g of x will be the input of f. Okay, we will try to solve some examples, you will understand clearly. For example, f of x equal 3x minus 1, gx equal 2x. Okay, this is a function. So as I told you, composite, where the output of one function, for example g's output, is the input of the other function, as it is written here. Okay, it mean they gave you two functions, this function and this function. They ask you to find this one. So f o g x, it mean f g of x. It mean what? It mean in f, the place of x, we will put gx. What is gx? 2x. So in function f, we will substitute g function at the place of x. So 3 into, at the place of x, we will substitute the function g, which is 2x. Others, everything same. Now we will simplify. 3 times 2 equals 6x minus 1, because 3 multiply only with x. This is the answer. Okay, the same question, if they will ask you find g o f, it mean g f of x. F of x is the input. Now f of x is input of the function g. Okay, so what will we do? We will substitute f, the function f, in g. What is function f? 3x minus 1 in g at the place of x. 2 same, at the place of x we will put fx, which is 3x minus 1. Okay, now we will simplify. 2 times 3 equals 6x minus 2 times 1 equals 2. So this is our answer, g o f. This is a composite function. I hope it is clear. We will evaluate the composite function. We can evaluate also. For example, they gave you a function f of x equal x square and g of x equal 3x plus 1. Okay, what will we do? The question is, this is the function, and what they ask you, the question is g of f 2. It mean function of g f of 2. First we need to find what is f2. So if f2 is at the place of x, in f I replace 2. So x is 2 square, which is 4. So f of 2 is 4. So f of 2 we will substitute in g. So f of 2 is input. So input is 4 in g, which is equal 3, replace x with 4 plus 1. So 3 times 4 equal 12 plus 1 equal 13. So g o f 2 equal 13. The same question they can ask you also like that. They can ask you find f o g 3. It means g3 first we have to find, which is equal f, the input is g03. Okay, what is g3? G3 mean at the place of x we will put 3. So which is equal g3 equal 3, replace x with 3 plus 1. Okay, which is equal 9 plus 1 equal 10. So GO3 equal 10. Now GO3 yani 10. We will input is 10. We will put 10 in f. What is f? X square. So at the place of x we will put 10 square, which is equal 100. I hope you understand and it is clear for you. If you have any question about combined or composite function, you can ask me. Take care. See you with the next video. You can ask me in the comment if you have any question. Bye.